To transfer cryptocurrency from Blazor to Kraken, start by opening the Blazor Live application on your device. Locate the Send button by swiping right through the options, such as Receive, until you find it. Then click on it. A list of available networks and cryptocurrencies for transfer will appear. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Next, open your Kraken wallet. Click on the action icon or double arrow, and then select Deposit. Search for the cryptocurrency you are transferring. Then choose the desired network, ensuring it matches the one selected in the Blazor Live app. Follow the provided instructions, noting any minimum deposit requirements, processing time, and network specifics. After understanding these conditions, you will be given a QR code and wallet address. Click on Copy Address. Return to the Blazor Live app. Paste the wallet address, and click Continue. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Then click Continue again. Select the desired fee, choosing from slow, medium, or fast options, and click Continue. If a warning about network fees appears, click Continue to proceed. Finally, open the app on your device and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer. Once these steps are completed, your cryptocurrency will be successfully transferred from Blazor to Kraken.